everyone. Today we're doing Module 4 from Level E of VMath. We're doing Understanding Fractions and Equivalents. This is Lesson 3, so turn to page 17 to follow along and take notes. Our first word for today is fraction. Fraction is a number that names parts of a whole or parts of a set. So here is a whole triangle. So then 1 out of 2 pieces are shaded in, so that is 1/2, 1/2. Here's a whole circle. 2 out of 3 pieces are shaded in, so that's 2/3. And then here we have a whole rectangle, but 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 5 are shaded in, so that's 4/5. And then here is a set example. So here's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bowls of cereal. So then 1, 2, 3 are shaded in, so 3 out of 6 would be this set. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars. 7 is the total in the set, and 4 stars are shaded in, so 4 out of 7. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 presents, and 1, 2, 3 of the presents are shaded in. And then again, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 umbrellas, and 1, 2, 3, 4 are shaded in, so 4 out of 7. The numerator is the number above the bar in a fraction that tells how many equal parts of the whole or the set are being considered. So the numerator, here we have the whole circle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces are shaded in out of 6 total. So the numerator is the number of parts we have, so the top. And then the denominator is the number below the bar in a fraction that tells how many equal parts are in a whole or the set. So the denominator is the total parts in the whole. So you would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total parts. So the denominator is the whole or the total number of parts. All right, in the getting started part, here we have, it says the girl is the blank student in line. So 1, 2, 3, 4th person in line. Number 2 says number of shaded parts. So how many are shaded here? We have 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. And then how many total number of equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So shaded would be 4, the total is 3, so it's 3/4. Here we have the number of shaded parts is just 1 shaded part, and the number of equal parts is 1, 2, so 1/2. Here we have shaded is 1, 2, 3, and they're all shaded. There's 3 parts and they're all shaded. So 3 out of 3 is the same as 1. So anytime you have a number like 4 out of 4 as a fraction, that's 1, because that means that 3 out of the 3 shaded parts for this one is the whole. All right, this says shade the given fractional parts of each whole, so 5/8. So if we look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts total. So we're going to shade in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. That would be 5/8. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, and we're going to shade in just 1/4. So we would shade in 1/4 for that. This says write the fraction that names each shaded part in the numeric and word form. So we need to count the whole first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the whole. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shaded in. So we would call this in words 7/10. Here, number 6, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts of the whole, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are shaded in. So we would say that is 5/6. And the last one, number 7, let's count all the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. And then shaded, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we would say this is 5/12. Sorry, that's kind of messy. Okay. All right, write a fraction to represent part of a whole using symbols. It says count the number of shaded parts. This is the numerator. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shaded parts. The numerator, the number on top, is 4. Then count the total number of equal parts. This is the denominator. 9 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's the denominator on the bottom. Write the fraction in numeric form by writing the numerator above the fraction bar and the denominator below the fraction bar. So 4/9. Write the fraction in word form by writing the numerator in words followed by a hyphen. Then write the denominator as an ordinal number. If the number is greater than 1, the ordinal number is written in plural form. So like this, 4/9. All right, on your own, you're going to complete page 19. Take your time, rewatch this video if you need help with anything. Good luck.